Hi.
Hello.
Are you free in an interview of you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Can you put this on here? What's your name?
My name is Julien.
Julia.
Yes.
How do you spell that?
It's G
Yeah.
U L E E no I E N.
Oh. So, and where you from?
I'm from France, French. I'm French.
French.
Yes.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Merci.
Merci. Baguette, croissant. Oui.
And I just can say the finally one is Maxi Poker.
What?
Maxi Poker.
Merci beaucoup. Merci
Yeah.
beaucoup.
So, and where you going right now?
I'm stay here until the 17th and I go to UE.
Where?
UE.
By train or by
Yes,
bus?
I think by train or bus. I don't know. I don't know yet.
How? When do you go to by the train? When you go to the train station? Tomorrow?
No, in 3 days.
3 days.
3 days. Yes.
My house is near the train station.
Okay. Oh, cool.
Maybe I can meet you this day.
Yes, I think maybe.
3 days. What is it? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is. No, tomorrow is. Is that on when you leave climbing? Is that on Sunday?
I think yes. I don't know. I don't know. Like
Oh,
on Sunday, yes. I think.
on Sunday.
Yes.
Maybe.
Is it for school?
No, it's for
It's for
myself.
you? Okay. You learn English?
Yeah, I'm
With
learning.
me, my English is a little. I'm French, so French people don't speak English very well.
But your English is good.
It's good, but you are better.
No.
See, you are better.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
20.
20. And you?
What do you think? How am I?
I don't know, like 7?
No, older.
Huh?
Older.
Ah, you think I'm older?
Yeah.
Ah, no. Yes.
I mean,
And you?
you get. No, I mean you get. I'm 7, but my age is not 7. My age is older with 7.
Oh, so 6?
No, older. Older.
Older? 9?
That's right.
9?
Right.
9.
Right.
Cool.
So, and when you leave Vietnam,
At the end of the month, I go to Bali. Bali,
Bali,
yes.
by plane,
Yes. No. Yes. Right.
is that a small island in Indonesia?
No, just Bali for 2 weeks.
Oh, I mean, is Bali is in Indonesia?
Yes. In
Oh.
Indonesia. Yes.
Is that a beautiful island?
Yes.
Did you travel there yet?
Yes. You ever been there?
No, but my friend is from America. He was there last month.
Okay. Is it nice or not?
No, last month.
Is it cool or not?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Is Bali cool?
Yeah,
or
he
not
said Bali is very beautiful.
beautiful? Okay.
And he showed me some picture. It's
Okay.
lovely.
Okay. Cool.
It has a lovely beach there.
Yes. Lovely place. But Vietnam is lovely too.
Oh,
I enjoy Vietnam so much.
thank you.
It's so
But
cool.
here is very hot.
Yes, it's hot. So yes.
It's very hot right now. But why do you wear one of the hat?
It's because I let grow my hair.
Oh,
So I have to
wear it?
hide them,
Oh,
So anybody see that because it's long,
oh, you have long
So
hair.
I don't like it. So
Oh.
I put the beanie, so I'm okay.
Yeah,
but-
you put this because it's very hot.
No, it's because there is not beautiful. You see,
Oh.
with
Yeah.
the weather, like there is too.
It's collie.
Yes.
Collie.
So I put this.
Collie is a lovely hair.
Thanks.
The children in Vietnam, they always make their hair to its curly. It's perfect.
Okay.